In this video, I will show you how you can use Go High Level for real estate. Go High Level has many different features and it's kind of hard to get started with, but in this video, I'll just show you how you can get started with Go High Level for any kind of real estate business. First of all, you'll need to create an account on Go High Level. So if you haven't started your free trial, you can sign up through the link in the description box and you will get a 14-day free trial. So go ahead and click on that link to create an account on Go High Level. And now once you have created an account on Go High Level, go ahead and head over into the sub account section and click on the add sub account button at the top right of your screen to be able to add real estate as your sub account. So from here you can find a few snapshots. Snapshot is basically a collection of templates for a specific type of business. And here, go ahead and use the search field to search for real estate. Now hover your mouse on the real estate agent snapshot and you'll be able to find this select and continue button. Now click on that to use this as your snapshot. Now you get a bunch of templates for emails, SMS messages, and workflow, funnels, websites, and more specifically tailored to real estate agents. In here, go ahead and search for the address of your real estate agency if you have that registered on Google Maps. You can also add account manually by clicking on this button. On this area, you'll need to give off a few personal information and general information about your business. After you enter all of the required information, go ahead and save this. Now after you save this will redirect you into this page. So in here, go ahead and click on that switch to sub account button and this will redirect you into your dashboard. Your dashboard would basically look like this. As a new user, from within your sub account is where you can actually manage your real estate business using Go High Level. So that means that you can manage conversations, your websites, do marketing, and basically anything that you will need. So right here, what you can do is to click on the launch pod and then here you have some steps that you can take. So first, if you have a WordPress website, then you can go ahead and connect it to your Go High Level right here, which I do recommend. Then you can go ahead and connect your Google My Business, your Facebook, and Facebook's really helpful if you're running Facebook ads because then you will get lead through your Facebook ads and they will be automatically entered into your Go High Level contacts. And then you can just let them go through your workflows. You can also generate leads from your websites by connecting web chat widget if your website is not on WordPress. However, you can also create a good looking website using Go High Level and I'll show you how you can do this. On the conversation section, you'll be able to find the conversations with leads across many different platforms. This is also where conversations that clients have with live chat are reflected. We have here the calendar section. In here, you'll be able to find your schedule where you can also find the appointments that you have for each day of the month. So you can manually add appointments in this section by clicking on the new button at the top right of your screen and use the existing contacts on your contacts, create appointments. Now on the contacts section, you'll be able to find the list of clients that have signed up, book an appointment on your website. So you can also import your list if you have an existing list. You can also manually create this contacts list by clicking on the plus icon at the top left of the contacts. Now we have the opportunities section. You have a pipeline with opportunities and of course you can go and customize the stages, but what's really good about the snapshot with Go High Level, as you can see in here, you can simply track your leads in this section and customize this. Now on the automation section, this is actually where you can find your workflows, not just for your website or funnels, but also for your marketing workflow. So as you can see in here, this workflow list or the existing marketing workflow available for this snapshot. You can customize this workflow depending on how you want your marketing marketing leads to function. So this is basically the flow of how new leads are added into your Go High Level account. Now I also want to show you funnels and websites, which you can find at the site section. So as you can see in here, this is the funnel section where you can actually find the discount offers or the special offers that your websites offers. I click on this real estate offer or real estate services. I'll be able to find the parts of this funnels. So as you can see in here, this funnel has 3 steps: offer, consultation, appointment, and the thank you page. You can tailor fit it into the style that you want to use by clicking on the edit button for each part of this funnel. Editing funnels and websites on Go High Level is as easy as creating websites on WordPress Elementor. You can also create a new funnel by clicking on the new funnel button and clicking from templates and continue. So as you can see in here, you can simply filter this available template by searching for a real estate template using the search field. So once I search for a real estate template, I'll be able to find a bunch of templates available for use, such as the style real estate services, real estate consulting service, real estate design, and so much more. So go ahead and hover your mouse for the specific template that you want to view. You can also create websites on Go High Level. Once you head over into the website section of Go High Level, you'll be able to find this website template that comes along with your snapshot. So as you can see in here, you'll be able to find the pages for this. Now, if you don't want to use this and you want to create a new website, just go ahead and hit on the new website button at the top right of your screen. You can create a new website from blank or from templates. Now, if you select templates, you'll be able to head over to the template library. So in here, go ahead and search for real estate, and you'll be able to find a bunch of real estate templates that you can choose from for your website design. So go ahead and hover your mouse for that specific template that you want to view in full page, and at the top right of that template, you'll be able to find this I button. So click on that, and as you can see in here, you'll be able to view the page on how it would look like if it was launched as a website. Now, if you want to customize this, go ahead and click on that continue button at the top right, and this will redirect you into the page where you can actually customize this website to fit the style that you want for your website. So as you can see in here, this is actually very simple. You can edit text directly into this page by clicking on that specific text that you want to change. You can upload your logo at the top right of your website. You can change how the colors of each text and buttons will look like into this section. Now, once you're done editing your website, you can simply publish it by clicking on the top right, or save this as a draft by clicking on the save button at the top right of your screen. Now, once you click on this back button, you'll be able to head back into the pages list for this website. So as you can see in here, this website has 5 parts. You can edit each of these pages depending on how you want it to look like. So Go High Level is a pretty all-in-one solution for real estate businesses. It has so many features, and you can also go to the marketing section where you can do email and SMS marketing. You can go and manage your social media businesses right here. So you can simply connect your social media accounts and business pages into this section by clicking on that connect button for what applies for you, and manage the posting of ads, scheduling of posts into this section. So I definitely recommend giving Go High Level a try. It can be pretty hard to get started, but they offer a 14-day free trial once you click on that link on the description box to get started with Go High Level. So now you know how to use Go High Level for real estate. If this was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And that being said, I will see you in the next video.